In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your contacts from QuickBooks. If you need a copy of your customer, vendor, or employee contact list for reporting, backup, or sharing with your team, QuickBooks gives you a couple of simple ways to do it. I'll walk you through both methods so you can choose the one that works best for what you need. Let's start with exporting from the Customers page. First, go to the All Apps section on the left side of your QuickBooks screen. From there, select Customer Hub and then choose Customers and Leads. This takes you to the area where your customer-related contact information is organized and easy to review before exporting. Once you're on that page, look for the Export to Excel icon. It's usually located near the Print option, so if you see the Print icon, you're in the right place. Click Export to Excel and QuickBooks will begin preparing your file. After the export finishes, the file will download to your computer. Be sure to check your Downloads folder or the folder your browser normally uses for saved files, so you can open and review it right away. Now let's look at the second method, which is helpful if you want a little more control over the type of contact lists you're exporting. Go to the top right corner of QuickBooks and click the gear icon to open Settings. From the menu, select Export Data. When the Export window opens, go to the Lists tab. This is where you can choose exactly which contact-related lists you want included. You'll see options such as customers, vendors, and employees. Turn on the toggle for the list you need and turn off anything you don't want to export. This is useful if you only want one specific contact group and don't want extra files included in the download. Once your selections are set, click Export to Excel. QuickBooks will download a compressed zip file containing your exported data. After the zip file finishes downloading, locate it on your computer and extract it if needed so you can access the Excel files inside. As a quick tip, after opening your exported file, take a moment to scan the data and make sure everything you expected is there. This helps you confirm you exported the correct list before sending it anywhere or using it for another task. That's how to export your contacts from QuickBooks using either the Customers page or the Export tools in Settings.